Ang kainit, ang ganda ng panahon. Happy spring day. Look at all those trees, the colors, the greens, purple, red and orange, everything
We're not gonna go
is
down there.
right. So it look like we are in the wonderland. So pretty. My sister is here visiting me right now. I love my sister. Thank you for coming and visiting us for all the efforts and sacrifices. I will love you and thanks a lot. Thanks for everything. Ayan, picture ulit tayo. Ayan, ang ganda ng trees. Napaka-peaceful sa taas. Oh, ang ganda. Yung colors, para kaming nasa bundok. Ang color niya talaga sa live is very
Tama na ba?
what?